Hey traders and investors, it's Rod with Powell Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth for a daily market recap. Today's a recap for Thursday, May 20th. I hope you are awesome out there today. In today's video, we're going to be discussing as the topic of the day, the U.S. Treasury calling for stricter cryptocurrency compliance with the IRS and saying that it poses a tax evasion risk. So we'll look at that headline and what it means for the crypto space. And then we'll look at some other broader market news and events, and then we'll look at some charting for the broader market as well. I'll also put some timestamps in the description below. But before we get going, make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. So the U.S. Treasury calls for stricter cryptocurrency compliance. The Treasury Department announced that it will require any transfer worth $10,000 or more be reported to the IRS. Cryptocurrency already poses a significant detection problem by facilitating illegal activity broadly, including tax evasion. Investors have been seen the value of Bitcoin slide about 25% over the past month, and talk of a capitulation creep into online forums. Well, I don't know if they're a day late in their analysis or what, but we had a capitulation bottom yesterday. In case nobody was tuning in, but we had a major bloodbath. So I think that capitulation bottom has been set, and I think that we're going to be resuming up to the recent highs on Bitcoin. I don't think the top is in. Let me know in the comments below, do you think the top is in, or is this just another classic FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt tactic that the powers that be are likely trying to just shake out retail and load up cheaper for another leg up? I think we could see 80 to 100K on Bitcoin before the end of this bull cycle. So in other news, tech leads the U.S. rebound in the stock market today after a strong jobs report. So initial jobless claims came in at 444,000 versus 450,000 expected. And that is now the lowest on record over the last year, with the last reporting period coming in at 478,000, which was the record. So 444 is the number to beat going forward. Ontario plans to reopen week of June 14th under a three-stage plan. So you can check that out for more. But then I think this could be you can check out that article, but I think this could be the end of the crisis. I think this could be the third time's a charm, so to speak. And we'll see if I'm correct in saying that, but a return to normalcy over the next few months and 6 months would be absolutely incredible. Let me know in the comments below if you think that this is the end, if the end is near. So Bank of Canada warns some buyers' rates will eventually rise. Home buyers' rates will eventually rise. So I think pretty much everybody can predict that. I mean, it's kind of stating the obvious. We just don't know when. So how about you tell us when? Lumber futures jolt higher as U.S. demand holds strong. That's not what we want to see. I have a deck to build this summer. Come on, lumber gods. Shaw shareholders approve sale of company to Rogers. So some headway there. And now we're just going through other regulatory and court approval. So taking a look at the crypto space, we lost the 15-minute uptrend. So 4-hour consolidation is underway and a daily inside bar here on Bitcoin. So we're just tightening up and coiling. Like I said, on this 4-hour chart, we're consolidating here now after losing the 15-minute uptrend. So we're just looking for a 4-hour high or low, and we're going to want to change the 4-hour trend. If we break above 43,000, that's going to confirm a 4-hour trend change, and our daily bottom will be set at that point, and we can look to break this inside bar bullish as well, and the daily bounce will be underway. We've got a lack of resistance all the way up to 60,000, which is an absolute insane chart to be looking at, but it's the play that we have at hand. A daily oversold bounce likely going to get underway if we can change that 4-hour trend. So taking a look at SPY, the S&P 500, we came very close to 417.49 resistance. So again, it's been a little slower out there today, just lacking direction in the market. So you can see we have this equilibrium where we have the low, the high of the bounce, higher low, lower high. So if we would have broken 417.49, that would have confirmed a daily uptrend, and we could have likely expected to move up to new all-time highs. But at the moment, we could be topping out. We'll need to lose the hourly uptrend to be confident that this is our daily lower high, or lose the low of today, tomorrow. But essentially, we could just tighten up into tomorrow and pull back to around 408, 409, set another higher low, and tighten up in this range. So it could be another slow day tomorrow, but if we do break 417.49 from here, daily uptrend confirmed, and we're likely going to all-time highs. If we lose 404 from here, that's a daily downtrend confirmed, and we're likely going down to test the gap at 400. The dollar was weak again today, so nothing to see here, closing near the low, and we've got a lack of support down to 89.68, and then after that, Taking a look at the monthly chart, we've got 88.25 and then a lack of support down to 78. So, and that's not going to be too far off the all-time lows. And I'm very bearish on the dollar. So I'm going to go through this a little quicker today. Tech sector changed its daily trend today. So we have a low, high, higher low, and higher high. So we know that the tech sector and the semiconductor sector as well changed this daily trend, have been weak and leading the market lower. So it's nice to see those two sectors that have been recently weak change the daily uptrend and confirm an uptrend there. So taking a look at oil, oil was weak again today, and XLE, the energy sector ETF, was weak as a result. So not surprising there. Gold and silver daily inside bars still maintaining the daily uptrend. Not much to report there. Biotech sector daily bounce underway. Energy sector again broke the low, but essentially a daily inside bar. Financial sector tried to get a bounce on today. It didn't get much follow through. And daily doji indecision candle on the day today. Healthcare sector got very close to all-time highs, and nice strong day today in the healthcare sector. Tesla also got its daily bounce underway today. And I was looking at Tesla. I said yesterday you could have entered, and even did a private member video saying that a nice entry here. If anybody's looking for entries off 539 support, we got as low as 546. So if you went bottom fishing yesterday off the low, you'd be up about 7%. So taking a look at the bull and bear list, we had Dash, Airbnb, NKLA, and AMC, and SPCE, MVMD, and VEGA. Space has another test this weekend, so I think that's why the stock is rallying, and MVMD getting a nice oversold bounce underway as well. So congrats to the bulls there. All right, going to end it there. We'll see you a little bit later on today for an MJ sector review. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel on your way out. I would appreciate it very much. So take care, and we'll see you on the next one.